price every time, guys. So every time, right? So we are in candlestick patterns, all right? So make sure that you have watched that is you go and look about the technical that is the trend lines. That is very important key rule, guys. So we are in the next key rule, guys, about the candlestick patterns and how they help the price action traders, right? So let's go through the technical analysis. So in the technical analysis, candlestick patterns is a movement in price showing graphical on the candlestick chart that some believe can predict a particular market movement. All right, every time when we talk about forex trading, it's a prediction of the future. How will be the market moving in the next 1 hour? How will be the market moving in the next 2 hours? All right, so here in the technical analysis, we believe that candlestick patterns, it is a movement in price so graphically on a candlestick chart that show beliefs that can predict a particular market what movement. All right, so let's move on, right? So let's move on. That is very okay. Let's move on. The regulation of the pattern is subject, and the programs that are used for charting rely on prefer rules and match the patterns. Also, there is different patterns. All right, so they are 42 regularized patterns that can split into simpler and complex patterns. So we have several patterns. We have 42 of them. So it's not the must you gain or you understand all of them. All right, but you can just get some of them and just use them. All right, you can get 2 to 3 patterns and use them. All right, so if they work onto your sign, that is very okay. Like me, I only use some reversal patterns. All right, so we have simple candlestick patterns. Let's look at it very keenly. All right, so we have the black candle, the big black candle. So as an usual long let go as unusual long body with a wide range between high lows. Prices open near the high and lows near the low. Candlestick is bearish, but most of the times they are red candles or black candles. Most of the time it depends with you, right? Let me enlarge it. It looks like this. All right, so this is let me just explain it in anatomic way so that you can understand it very keenly for the people watching to understand the price action, right? So this is where for example, this is where the candlestick opens at the top and closes at the bottom here. So this is a bearish candle showing that the market most of the times this one forms showing that the market will move down. All right, these are bearish candles. Let's go to big white candles, or most of the times they that is weak green candles. All right, so unusual, they are long white body with between highs and low of the day. Prices close near the high considered as the bearish candle. Right? So we have the black body formed when the opening price is higher than the price considered bearish, and white. All right, so that is the same. Let's go to another pattern that is very important. We have the donji formed when the opening and closing price are vertically the same. The length of the shoulders can vary, right? So this is donji. Most of the times we call it an indecision pattern, right? So this is here the candlestick opens, and most of the times it opens and closes. So it opens here and closes here, then here, right? So we have long length doji. All right, so consider this is a very long upper and show a sandal indicate strong forces balance in opposition, right? So we have dragon doji formed when the opening and the closing prices are at the highest of the day. All right, if a longer shadow, it is signals more bearish trend when appears at the bottom of the it is considered a reversal pattern, right? So the dragon doji means that it most of the times they happen in the top of the ranges, all right? Because we have already talked about the trend line, and we have understood how the market structure goes, all right? So let's say the market most of the times it depends on how the market where the market it is. For example, if the market is moving like this, so this doji candle, this let me dragon doji candle, it is formed here at the top, right? Like this, it is forms the reverse, meaning that this market will continue down. That is how it will lose, guys. So this is Mr. Risk every time. Let's go. We have the gravitation doji. It is the opposite of the doji candle, right? So it signals a bearish trend, all right. It signals that this market is going up, all right, because there is some rejection at the bottom of the range, all right. So simple candlestick patterns, we have hammer and black and white candle that consists of a small body with a little and upper shoulder consider and a bearish pattern, all right. So all right, so this is a bearish pattern. It mostly forms at the lower, that is high lows most of the times, or when we are about to reverse, all right. We have an hanging man considers a bearish pattern during an uptrend, all right. So when the market is in the top of the range, when this happens, it seems that the market gonna go down, right. So this is an hanging man. We have a long upper shadow and black and white candle with an upper shoulder, right. So this is a bearish, it happens in the top of the range. It is like an what, it is like what, it is a dragon doji, right. So they act at the same. We have mazumbe, we have spinning tops. They are many patterns, right. So the next video that I don't want to make the video long, right. So let's stick with what we have just learned under this one, and then the next we'll just go to the next part of it. I don't want to make videos long. I want to make it short, you understand. So make sure that you understand the key ones, right? What we have just talked about, the big black candle, big white, we have big body, white body, doji, long length, dragon, gravation doji, and etc. etc. Armor, hanging, just have those notes, guys, on your sign, and remember to change up training wisely every time. This is Mr. Risk every time. All right, guys, right.